Ever wondered how businesses instantly verify your income or employment details without endless paperwork? It's like magic, right? Well, maybe not magic, but it's definitely powered by some pretty cool technology. Today, we're diving deep into the verification process with Flinks, a leading platform making this seemingly magical process a reality. Think about it. Applying for a loan, a mortgage, or even a new apartment used to involve mountains of paperwork. Pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, the list goes on. It was a slow, tedious process for both the applicant and the business. Flinks technology streamlines all of this, making verification faster, more secure, and way less of a headache. So, how does it all work? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. First, let's understand the problem Flinks solves. Traditional verification methods are often slow, prone to fraud, and create a poor user experience. Imagine having to print out your last 3 months of bank statements, scan them, and then email them to someone. It's time-consuming and, frankly, a bit of a hassle. Flinks platform bypasses this entire process by securely connecting directly to your financial institutions. This means no more manual document collection, no more printing, and no more faxing. Remember faxing? Yeah, those were the days. Okay, maybe not. Flinks' verification process hinges on secure data sharing. But before you start worrying about your privacy, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Flink takes data security extremely seriously. They employ bank-level encryption and adhere to strict industry standards to protect your information. Think of it like a digital vault for your financial data. You, the user, are always in control. You explicitly grant permission for Flinks to access your data, and you can revoke that access at any time. It's all about transparency and control. So, how does this secure connection actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're applying for a loan online. The lender uses Flinks platform to initiate the verification process. You'll be prompted to select your financial institution, your bank, credit union, or other relevant institution. Flink then securely redirects you to your institution's online banking portal. This is crucial. You're not sharing your banking credentials with Flink. Instead, you're logging in directly to your bank, just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, your bank authenticates your identity. Flink then securely retrieves the necessary information, with your explicit consent, of course. This might include your account balance, transaction history, or employment details, depending on what the lender requires. The information is then securely transmitted back to the lender through Flinks platform. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes, compared to the days or even weeks it could take with traditional methods. Now, let's talk about the types of verification Flinks supports. They offer a range of solutions, including income verification, employment verification, and account verification. Income verification allows lenders to quickly and accurately verify your income, which is a key factor in loan approvals. Employment verification confirms your current employment status, which is also important for many financial decisions. Account verification simply confirms that you have an active account at a specific financial institution. One of the key advantages of Flink is its speed and efficiency. Because the process is fully automated, verification can be completed in real time. This means faster loan approvals, quicker onboarding for new customers, and a smoother overall experience. No more waiting around for days or weeks while someone manually verifies your documents. Flink streamlines the entire process, making it significantly faster for both businesses and consumers. Another benefit of Flink is its improved accuracy. Manual verification is prone to human error. Someone might misread a number on a pay stub or accidentally transpose digits on a bank statement. Flink's automated system eliminates these risks, ensuring greater accuracy and reducing the likelihood of errors. This not only benefits businesses but also protects consumers from potential mistakes. Flink also contributes to a better user experience. Think about it. No more printing, scanning, or faxing documents. No more waiting on hold while someone verifies your information. Flink makes the entire process seamless and convenient. You can complete the verification process from the comfort of your own home, using your computer or mobile device. It's all about making things easier and more efficient. Now, you might be wondering, who uses Flink? The answer is a wide range of businesses, from lenders and mortgage providers to employers and even landlords. Any business that needs to verify someone's financial information can benefit from Flink's platform. It's a versatile solution that can be adapted to a variety of industries and use cases. Flink is constantly innovating and expanding its platform. They're always working to improve their technology and add new features to make the verification process even more efficient and secure. They're committed to staying at the forefront of the industry and providing the best possible experience for their clients and their users. So, to recap, Flink simplifies and speeds up the verification process by securely connecting to your financial institutions. It eliminates the need for manual document collection, improves accuracy, and enhances the overall user experience. It's a win-win for both businesses and consumers. It's the future of verification, and it's changing the way we interact with financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.